Take fish oil every day and see how your body will change. We all keep looking for this miracle product that'll make us feel and look better on the inside and out. Well, it looks like we found it, folks. All you need is fish oil. This stuff will transform your body completely. But how? And what's the right amount to take? If you're ready for all the answers you need, then just keep on watching. But first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the new and exciting videos we've got for you every single day on the bright side of life. All right, back to business. Here are 12 changes you'll see in your body if you start taking fish oil every day. Number 12, decreased risk of heart disease. We're having a heart health epidemic these days. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, about 610,000 people die of heart-related illnesses every single year in the US. That's 1 in 4 deaths. But believe it or not, consuming fish oil can help out here. A study conducted by the Nutrition and Metabolism Research Group at the University of Alberta confirmed that the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in fish oil decrease the risk of developing heart disease. And that's because these acids drop the level of triglycerides, which contribute to high blood pressure caused by plaque buildup in the arteries. Fish oil will clean all that icky stuff out so your heart doesn't have to work so hard pumping blood throughout your body. Number 11, clearer thinking. If you're dealing with mental fog and poor memory, then fish oil is at your service. Again, those wonderful omega-3 fatty acids also contain DHA. This acid is responsible for making sure that your cell membranes are healthy and your neural pathways are strong. And that's the main reason why tons of studies, including one conducted by Brazilian researchers at the Federal University of Rio Grande do Sul, suggest that fish oil can even be used as a way to prevent the onset of Alzheimer's. Not to mention, fish oil is sometimes even prescribed to children with attention disorders like ADD or ADHD to help them focus and think clearly. Number 10, stronger immunity. Fish oil doesn't just work on each organ like your brain or heart individually. It protects your whole entire system by improving your immunity. It's all got to do with the polyunsaturated acids contained in omega-3. They stimulate the production of prostaglandins. These elements, in turn, make your immune system way stronger and thus help your body deal with all kinds of infections. At least that's the conclusion that researchers at the University of California came to after one of their studies. So if you're the type of person that's always catching a cold and gets sick really easy, you could definitely use some fish oil in your life. Number 9, better stamina. Professional cyclist Michael Hutchison swears by the stamina-boosting properties of the fatty acids in fish oil. And the scientific community agrees. Researchers at the Memorial University of Newfoundland conducted a study that confirmed the positive effect of these nutrients on our stamina. When you take fish oil regularly, your body starts to use the fat during long workouts, saving your glycogen stores for more difficult exercises. This process basically increases the time an athlete can do physical activity. So if you work out and train hard, this little boost will certainly come in handy. Number 8, improved joint health. Around the middle of the 20th century, doctors started noticing that people who live near the sea and eat fish regularly suffer from joint pain way less often. The explanation here is simple. Our joints need fat. Without it, the joint tissues lose their elasticity, which eventually leads to serious injuries. And fish oil is one of the best products to prevent this problem. A study conducted by the Department of Immunology and Rheumatology at Mexico's National Institute of Medical Sciences and Nutrition proved that fish oil can be quite effective at relieving and preventing joint pain. Of course, it won't heal your arthritis completely, but it can stop your joint problems from getting worse. Number 7, faster muscle recovery after workouts. If you thought that increased stamina is the best that fish oil can do for athletes and gym buffs, think again. In their study, researchers in the Department of Nutrition and Dietetics at St. Louis University had participants take fish oil after their workouts and report any changes. The results were amazing. Most of them claimed that they had way less inflammation and muscle soreness after exercising. Other experiments have shown that the abundance of polyunsaturated fatty acids contained in fish oil are able to protect nerve cells from injuries and even prevent their death. Don't get too excited though, because taking fish oil regularly won't turn you into Superman or anything, but it will surely intensify your regular workouts, making them twice as effective. Number 6. Less stress and a better mood. If you lead a hectic and busy life, don't we all nowadays? You know how important, yet difficult, it can be to relax and de-stress. Fortunately for us, fish oil's polyunsaturated acids increase the production of the happy hormone serotonin, improving your mood and decreasing stress levels. One cross-institutional study found that fish oil is great for fighting depression. There's even research out there suggesting that it can have a positive influence on people with schizophrenia and other mental illnesses. Sounds like a truly universal product and a must-have item for better health and wellness. Number 5. Decreased eye pressure. You hear a lot about taking care of your heart, lungs, liver, and so on. But you don't hear very much about the importance of eye health. It's definitely not something to be underestimated, and fish oil can do a lot for you in this area as well. Doctors often recommend that glaucoma patients take fish oil because its fatty acids help reduce pressure in the eye by removing excess fluids. Studies confirm this too. Researchers in the State Key Laboratory of Ophthalmology at China's Sun Yat-sen University found that additional sources of omega-3 acids can prevent eye problems. But don't think of it as a full-fledged cure. It's just one of the effective ways to keep your eyes healthy. Number 4, an additional source of vitamins and minerals. Fish oil isn't just jam-packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It's got a whole array of useful vitamins and minerals. Of course, the specific ones can vary depending on the type of fish and tons of other factors. But in general, most types of fish oil have a full set of crucial nutrients your system will thank you for. For example, vitamins A and D will help you get rid of brittle hair and allow your body to better absorb other necessary minerals like calcium and phosphorus. The concoction of nutrients you get in fish oil will improve your health and have you looking gorgeous in no time. Speaking of looking fab. Number 3. Smooth, radiant skin. As a rule, when our system works better, it shows on our skin. So all the inner health benefits we've mentioned so far will show up on your face. However, fish oil has one thing that your skin can't get enough of: collagen. It's your skin's elastic foundation, and basically, the more collagen you have, the fewer wrinkles you see on your face. Over time, we lose collagen due to aging and constant stress. Luckily, omega-3 acids store collagen, helping your skin stay young and fresh. Sounds good, right? But it gets better, since fish oil can fight acne as well. According to a study conducted by the Center for Genetics in Washington, D.C., omega-3 acids have an incredible anti-inflammatory effect. Since acne is skin inflammation, fish oil will help clear it right up. So if you want to have glowing and clear skin, fish oil should become your best friend. Number 2. Weight loss. If you've been struggling with your weight and have tried just about every diet known to humanity, you might want to give fish oil a try. Research conducted at the University of South Australia found that regular consumption of fish oil decreases the appetite and extends that full feeling you have in your stomach after eating. Another study conducted by Australian scientists showed that omega-3 acids increase the body's ability to break down fats. So, basically, when you take fish oil, your body uses the fats as a source of energy instead of storing them. The only thing you should remember is that fish oil has a lot of calories, so you still need to count and keep track of those. Number 1. Bigger breasts. Yes, you heard correctly, fish oil can make your breasts bigger, and there are tons of studies out there confirming it. It's all got to do with those polyunsaturated acids we've mentioned about a dozen times by now. If you're looking to increase your cup size, there are some other foods you can try too, like olive oil, dry beans, tofu, and seaweed, to name a few. These are all healthy products full of vitamins and minerals that will make your breasts grow naturally. Okay, now that we definitely know why you should take fish oil for better health and looks, let's talk about which fish oil you should opt for and how exactly you can consume it. The first thing you need to consider when choosing a type of fish oil is what it's made of. Most of the time, the main ingredient is cod liver, since it's simple and not that pricey. However, cod liver contains a lot of toxins and harmful metabolites that can outweigh all the product's benefits. Instead, choose fish oil made from the meat and muscle of the fish. It'll be way more gentle on your system. As for consumption, the best way to go is to take a supplement while eating or right after. But don't forget that consulting your doctor beforehand is a must for anyone who wants to add fish oil to their menu. Do not take it if you're allergic to fish, obviously, but also if you have thyroid, liver, urinary, or digestive problems. If you're pregnant or nursing, don't consume fish oil either. There can be other restrictions as well, depending on your health, so make sure you visit your doctor and get their stamp of approval before you go for it. So, are you thinking about adding more fish oil to your life, or do you already take it?